Assalamualaikum guys. Hello guys. Good morning. Guys, today we will again discuss about the economics. Inshallah, today we will complete our topic. And today, the last topic about the definition of economics we will study. For example, the last topic about this definition, exchange of the wealth. Number 4 point, exchange. Exchange of wealth. What is the meaning of exchange of the wealth? First of all, we will try to understand how we can exchange the wealth. And what is the exchange of wealth? For example, if the wealth passes from one person to another person, you can also observe when you will go to the market and if you will purchase something, at that time you will pay some part of your wealth to the shopkeeper, to the businessman. That is called the exchange of wealth. For example, you have $100 in your pocket. When you will go to the market, when you will go to the bazaar, at that time you will purchase, you will get one thing. That is the price of that thing is the $50. It means you have to pay the $50. And that is called the exchange of wealth because that $50 has transferred from your side to the other side. That is called the exchange. Same we can say that when we will start the international trade, country to country. For example, if the USA will purchase something from the Rus, from the China at the international trade, at that time when the USA will purchase some commodity, some product, some weapon from the Rus, from the China, at that time the USA will pay something, some part of wealth. That is called the exchange of wealth. It means when your wealth will be transferred from one side to another side. That is called the exchange of wealth. It means today, thank you so much. Today we have complete our topic. What is the economics? In the end, we can summarize our topic. For example, if someone asks from you that what is the economics, you can say that first of all, economics is a science in which we study production of the wealth, secondly, consumption of the wealth, distribution of the wealth, number 4 that we have studied today, exchange of the wealth. That is called the economics. It means economics is a science that deals with the wealth. How we can produce the wealth, how we can consume the wealth, how we can distribute the wealth, and in the end, how we can exchange the wealth. Inshallah, tomorrow we will study the next topic about the economics. I observe that today everything has clear about the economics. Now you can tell other person and you can define very easily economics. If you have any question in your mind, then you can ask me so that I can clear each and everything for you. And secondly, I advise you that you should ask a question from your teacher in the class, because I have observed, I have experienced, when you will discuss a topic with your teacher, then you can develop your confidence in the class, and you can share your difficulties about the lecture, and you can clear it everything. But today we have finished about the economics. Tomorrow we will start the next topic, inshallah. Thank you so much. Now you can go to your other lecture.